All right, for the second part of our field trip, we are going to be heading to the Cave of the Mounds. Before you click on this link, you have to watch this 8-minute video. It just gives you a little bit of background information about the history of the cave. It's really, really important to watch that first. So if you haven't watched it, stop this video, watch this one first, and then you can click on the link. Once you have watched that video, you're going to click on the Cave of the Mounds link. You'll click it here, click it, and this will pop up. Okay, it will say Cave of the Mounds, and kind of scroll down, and it will say start your VR trip. What that means is virtual reality trip. Now, if you've gone on if you did the state capitol one, this one is a little bit, it lags a little bit, so you'll just have to be patient. And remember, friends, there might be a lot of people on it. Same thing with the Capitol one. So if it's running a bit slow, you just have to be patient because I have no control over that. Once you're ready, you'll click on play and you'll notice you'll have a circle. Okay, if you kind of scroll out, like I'm just using my little circle on my mouse to kind of scroll back, it kind of like widens the screen. Now, you can make it full screen, and what you can do is you have these little keys at the bottom. Okay, this says open highlights, play. You can go by like a dollhouse view, which looks kind of like this. If you want to go to like explore 3D shapes, that's what you were in originally. Floor plan view, where you can look at the entire floor plan. You can do by floor selector, so 1, 2, 3, 4, all floors. Or if you want to measure something, okay, you'll be able to measure. I'm going to go back to the 3D shapes view. Okay, if I wanted to measure, okay, you can click any points and measure how long something is. Okay, so 1 foot 7 inches, that's how long that would be. When you're done, X out. Okay, and if you're done with that, there is an X here to close that out. Okay, I'm going to go back to the home screen. Now again, you have this circle. If you click on something, click and drag, you can see the different views. But if you see circles on the ground, like right here, if you kind of match them up, it will take you right to that circle. Okay? So, that is that. Once you click play, your tour kind of will start. Okay? It takes you along on its own. But if you want to kind of do it at your own pace, you just click. You can click again, and you can use your circles. So if you want to do your own tour, you can use the circles, or if you just want to click play, it will take you along on the tour on its own. Okay, you can stop anytime by just clicking on the mouse. Okay, and then clicking play again. But look, you can notice all these little circles are places that you can walk to. You can even then scroll and take a look at all the beautiful formations. Okay, if you click on the top, it'll say details and highlights. Okay, if you click on the highlights on the top, there it is, it takes you to certain highlighted areas. All right, so again, you can do this at your own pace. Okay, I'm going to click back on the play so it takes me on my tour. You can do this at your own pace. You can enjoy our tour. Sadly, it's not going to be as awesome as if we were there, but this is just another way that we can enjoy our field trip that we would be on. Okay, I hope you enjoy both the state capitol and the Cave of the Mounds. Okay, and have a great summer, friends. This is our last trip. This is our last day. Enjoy.